Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're putting two luxury SUVs head-to-head, the 2024 Volvo XC90 and the 2024 Audi Q7. These large family SUVs have earned reputations for safety and innovation, but how do they stack up when tested by Euro NCAP? Let's dive into their crash test results to find out. Let's start with the 2024 Volvo XC90. In the frontal offset test, the XC90's passenger compartment remained stable, with good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Volvo has designed this SUV to provide consistent protection for occupants of different sizes and those seated in various positions, ensuring safety for everyone. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the driver received good protection in all critical areas, while the rear passenger's chest protection was rated adequate. In the side barrier test, the XC90 scored maximum points, with good protection of all critical body areas. However, during the more severe side pole impact test, chest protection was rated as adequate. One key issue emerged with the side curtain airbag, which didn't fully deploy at the rearmost edge during the original tests. This could potentially affect passengers in the optional third row of seats. However, Volvo quickly addressed this by updating the design with a modified trim panel to ensure the airbag deploys as intended. Owners of affected vehicles will be contacted for a retrofit. In rear-end collisions, the whiplash protection for both front and rear seats was rated good. The autonomous emergency braking system on the XC90, which operates at low speeds typical of city driving, also scored maximum points by avoiding collisions in all test scenarios. Now, let's look at the 2024 Audi Q7. In the frontal offset test, the Q7's passenger compartment also remained stable, and like the XC90, it provided good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. However, chest protection for both the driver and passenger was rated as marginal, showing a slight weakness here compared to the XC90. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the Q7 displayed similar results, with marginal chest protection for the rear passenger, but other critical areas showed either good or adequate protection. In the side barrier and side pole impact tests, the Audi Q7 performed excellently, scoring maximum points with good protection for all critical body areas. In terms of side impact protection, the Q7 matches the XC90, giving passengers excellent protection in these severe scenarios. Like the XC90, the Q7's whiplash protection for both the front and rear seats was rated good. Audi's autonomous emergency braking system also performed very well, avoiding collisions in most low-speed scenarios, making it effective for city driving where many whiplash injuries occur. So how do these two luxury SUVs compare? Both the 2024 Volvo XC90 and the 2024 Audi Q7 performed admirably in their Euro NCAP crash tests, earning high scores across most categories. However, the XC90 edges out the Q7 slightly in areas like chest protection during frontal crashes, especially for rear passengers. While the Q7 matches the XC90 in terms of side impact protection, Volvo's quick action to resolve the airbag deployment issue in its third row shows a proactive approach to safety. Which SUV do you think provides better safety overall, the Volvo XC90 or the Audi Q7? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. What crash test comparison should we do next? Drop your suggestions below. As always, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future safety reviews.